I wash the plums and the first thing I'm going to do is poke them with a toothpick. Prick in several places. Put it in a jar, and that's how we'll use up all the plums. I filled the jars with plums, and now I will pour 2 tablespoons of sugar into each jar. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Then we will fill the jars with cold water. Finally, we will close the jars with clean and new lids. We will prepare the jars for pasteurization. I put a kitchen towel on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I will pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pot on the stove, and from the moment the water boils, reduce the temperature and pasteurize for 30 minutes. The pasteurization is complete, and now I will take out the jars. Leave the jars to cool gradually and store in a dark place until winter. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment. Thank you, dear friends. I bought 1.5 kilograms of black grapes and white grapes. I will clean the grapes from the stem. I clean the grapes, and now I'm going to wash them. I wash the lemon with bicarbonate of soda and will cut it into rings. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will fill a 700 milliliter jar with grapes. Now I'm going to put the lemon slices. Add to your taste. I add 2 cloves. I continue to fill the jar with grapes. This is what a filled jar looks like, and I fill another jar in the same way. I add 1 tablespoon of sugar to each jar. Filling a jar with water. Close the jars with clean and new lids. I will do the pasteurization. I put a kitchen towel on the bottom of the pan and arrange the jars. I pour water up to the height of the lid. From the moment the water boils, I pasteurize it for 20 minutes. Pasteurization is complete. And now I'm going to take out the jars. Let the jars cool and store in a dark place until ready to use. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you. Today I will show you how to preserve watermelon in jars and eat it all year round. First, I will wash the watermelon rind with bicarbonate of soda. I washed the watermelon and now I will cut it into slices. Cut the whole watermelon like this. I cut the watermelon and now I will squeeze it into smaller pieces. Here's how to cut all the watermelon. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I prepared a clean and washed jar, a jar with a volume of 2.5 liters. Put the watermelon cut in this way into a jar. I filled the jar with watermelon. See how it looks. Now we will fill the second jar as well. I filled the jars and I need boiled water. I pour boiled water into jars. I will cover the jars with lids and let them rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will pour the water from the pan into the pan. And so I will do the second jar as well. I will add 6 tablespoons of sugar to the water. I will add 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of citric acid. I put the pan on the stove. I'll wait for the dressing to boil. The dressing has boiled and we immediately pour it hot into the jars. And so we will do the second jar. Close the jars with clean and new lids. Leave the jars to cool gradually. Store in a dark, cool place until use. You can eat watermelon all year round and in winter. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.